emakhosini uyazi ukusabiswa umhlambululi lo isigodla amanzi nentaba umlilo izulu noma sithi ilanga all the elements siyazisebenzisa isihloko engifuna ukukhuluma ngaso ukuthi ukusabiswa ngobizo lwakho abaningi they were not ready ukungena kubizo kodwa kubantu abaconsulte noma sithi abantu ababahlolele which is abelaphi bendabuko abaprofeti abathandazeli ke kwafika isimo la ukuthi uyocela uncedo wasabiswa ngobizo olukuwe usabiswa njani yabona mawungathathi lo msebenzi mntanakho uzoloka faila uzochayiswa imoto indoda umama uzofa abantu bazofa ukusabiswa nawo songena eyintweni zikamoya you starting your spiritual journey because of ukusabiswa which is you will never enjoy a spiritual journey makunjalo because usabisiwe ukuthi uma ungathathi lo bizo lwakho you will die your family will be in debt noma into embi nje now iyabona the scary part of it nabo bazibopha belaphi bendabuko mabasho njalo because la kwamoya expect unexpected mhlawumbe lo mshado wena ekuthiwe bakusabisa ngawo ukuthi mawungathathi ubizo lwakho umshado wakho uzophuka already in water in hot water umshado wakho ngaleso sikhathi then usabiswa ngaloko ungene idlozi maliphakama lithi angimfuni le ndoda ngimfuni lo mfazi kumosheke kuphela angeke usayenjoy your spiritual journey because uyithathe ngoba ufuna ukusave ini your marriage uyithathe because of kuthiwe uma uthatha ubizo lakho umntanakho ngenxa yokuthi umntana uslow esikolweni mhlambe mawungathatha ubizo umntana uzophakama ubizo lakho yekelani ukusabiswa nibabaleke abanisabisa ukuthi mawungayenza into enje kuzo is not for a spiritual healer noma umelaphi wendabuko noma umthandazeli to tell you that you need to feel impilo yakho ukuthi ngiyafa manje without being told ukuthi uyafa noma umndeni wakho uzoyenzana noma umshado wakho noma i relationship yakho ngeke baningi namhlanje abantu abangakhona ukuthola right partners and mabakusabisa ngokuthi mawungangena kubizo lakho uzoba right no it's not all about that it's a long journey in a way yokuthi it can be ukuthi yes because of ubizo yabanukela because kunalesichitho sabantu abadala isichitho sabantu abadala izokupha i-attention kusho ukuthi bazokuhlokoneloza lokho ukuthi manje badonsa imali badonse yonke into up until upay attention bese uthole abotshovisto ke bakuthuse then ekuthuseni kwakho now you doing baningi abantu abasafarayo ngalonto engikhulumayo like honestly serious because of now bakuyenzile lokubathe bakuyenze ngoba umelaphi naye beka kushashaya kahle ukuthi uyayishiya le mali la and then by the time ulungisa into azisabi the way so abelaphi bendabuko you should stop ukupromisa abantu into eningayazi anazi ukuthi kuyovuka manje lilungisela ledlozi liyovuka ngokuthini remember ama partners siyazichuzela la emhlabeni ingakho makucala kumosheka ku relationship na kumshado nicabanga ukukhuleka then makumnanda nikhuleke kodwa niyakhona ukukhala ukuthi ncede ukuthi angangishiyi kanti vele bavuke kwakuyintando yakho eyabo akusile gaza abalifunayo kunendlela yokubona because manje sengifuna ukuphoca kahle labantu abangifonelayo ngicela ungibhekele i-relationship angibheki ma relationship there's more important things than ukubheka i-relationship umkipito you don't mean anything ngapha kwamoya Kipoto nizifaka ninejele likamoya nizihluphekisa nina leyo angendawo. But when it comes to umshado, still it doesn't mean you will enter the kingdom of God. That is why nikwazi ukuthi nishade ngemithi. That is why indoda ibone ngathi iyakuthanda kanti ulawula umuthi kuwena. That is why uthi uthanda le ndoda kanti ulawula umuthi kuyena. So it's only for those who can't sustain sex purposes nemali ukuthi imali sisebenzisa kanjani. Imishado eminingi manje iphukile, it's because of kubhekwe imali ukuthi angi understand ukuthi ihamba kanjani kodwa angifuni, I'm not a marriage coach, angifuni ukuzifaka nje ku relationship nama marriages ne, kodwa ke ngizama ukusho ukuthi ukusabiswa ukuthi uzolahlekela ukuthize nokuthize uzofa uzoyenzani ayihambi kanjalo. You should feel that. You should feel, and yenzani sure ukuthi at least makube uready. Angithi ngasho ukuthi kukhona ivideo engiyifakile ukuthi kukhona ukuthi mawuthi uyahlola kanti ubiza inkinga la zingakhona kusho ukuthi uzozifakela ishwa wes khona ukuthi manje upope ukutholakala ukuthi hayi ziyalunga into zakho. Funda makube uready ukuhlola iya kubantu abayi3 definitely 2 kwamele ifane, kodwa makuyi3 engafani yonke niyabona ukuthi kunemimoya emibi ohamba nayo ehamba iconfuse ngisho nani nabelaphi bendabuko. Yekela ukukhala ngomelaphi wendabuko ukuthi akakenzelanga kahle, suka kuleyo page uyile akazange akukhuthuze uziyele kuye wagroba narobhana then maso uphumile kuye angakenzelanga kahle yekela ukubheka umnyango wakhe, ngoba yinto engirritateayo umuntu uma uzomhlola uzotshela ukuthi ngihambile ngayenzana angibengekho anginanda I don't have any business because ama colleagues ami lawo ukuthi akuyenzeleni. It can be ukuthi ukuyenzela into right but now sekufuneka umhlambululi ozoqalela yona from edlozini yena ukubalekisela abathakathi bebakuthakatha ukhonile ukususela leso silwane kodwa ekugcineni kwamele uhlanganise ini impande. So asifani ngokusebenza ama colleagues. Uma uya simbiza umnyanga mthakathi okwazi ukukulwisela izithi ukuthi buyisela shaya in because ngokomthetho akufanele iyenze lonto, kodwa bakhona aba specialize ngayo nabo isipho. Ngengasho ngathi ubuthakathi isiphiwo, umuntu uyaphiwa into ukuthi abantu mabeza kuwe baphe into abazoshaya abanye abantu ngayo bheke. So ukhumbule na ukuthi ngiyeke umnyanga mthakathi then manje so ufuna inhlambululo angeke akuhlambulule umnyanga mthakathi phela lona. Emakhosini, please don't forget to like and subscribe.